think I just missed my bus.
Where
Have
were
you-
you going?
Well, I was going out to the Northern American streets, but missed my bus. That's a bummer. Actually, the real truth where we're going is today is we're going camping just one night with Papa. I've got all my gear. I think I'm a bit overpacked. This gear weighs more than a bus. I don't know.
What have we got here?
I just got the camp gear. You'll see when we take it out.
Camouflage clothes, warm clothes, light clothes, one headlight, one signaling light,
Another headlight.
one electric candle, paper to draw.
No,
mat
that's not
to
to draw.
sleep.
That's not to draw. That's my
That's
target. I've
your
got drawing
target.
paper in there.
What have we got here?
Got a sleeping bag, got tarp, got cooking gear, got fork, got that, got this, got ground sheet, got hammock, it's gonna be the best camp out ever. I got my doggies. Oh yeah, hey Snoopy. I've got all my doggies and I've got Snoopy right here.
What else?
And we've got a guitar.
Oh, we got a guitar.
And a bow and arrow. And a canteen.
Where are we, Georgie?
Woodward Bay!
With Sundays.
Yep. Guys, we're heading there now. I'm going to carry my stuff by myself for the once again. It's going to be loaded. Oh my goodness, my hat if I broke off my hair, at least I was stuck on it. And yeah, it's going to be so nice, guys. Oh my goodness. It's rad. Oh my. I need to go to the woo, we're nearly there. It's only been like 3 minutes since we done the last footage and we're already there. That's crazy. So beautiful here. Can't wait to go camping for one night. Can't wait. Dropping off my first load. I got my narrow guitar and my dog for this one. Hey.
Just what you need and nothing else.
Yep. Can I hold the camera? Why can't I film a bit?
Okay. Hold it like this. Okay.
This is me.
George, like that.
Yeah, give me this.
What?
Watch out. Is it going? Just stand still. This is the walk around. The pack mule.
Lots of stuff in this bad boy.
Okay.
Okay, let's go up the camp. Woo! That's where we're camping. My mount fell over, viewers. Sorry about that. Whew. Okay, so let's get to work. Got this. We've got a ton of stuff. Let's take out my hammock. Oh man, the big hammock. Okay. Yes, Mum. Gear on it. This is my hammock. And I'm going to get the straps. Oh, we're like a million green ants. I better even get my hammock off the floor because there's gonna be so many green ants on it. Right. Okay, don't want ants in my bed. Okay, I think I'll just have to do it tight. What? like maybe 2 wraps around the tree? What do you do? I think so. 2 wraps. Even maybe 1 more. God, that is the ant house right there. Ow, man, all over me. Okay. Ow, dude. You got to see how many ants are here. I'm going to show you guys in a sec. Show you how many green ants here. Ow, 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 ow. Stop. Get off me. Okay, at least I'm going to have a hammock. Oh, birdie. Oh, no. Shoot. Oh, hang on. Bag's blowing away. Okay, should be 1 or 2 bucks. Okay, I didn't see all those little slots for it, actually. But this should be good. Oh, the 2 wraps. I wonder if this is going to be too low. That's what I wonder. I don't want it too high up. Of course, no, dear. But they can't get into it. No, I think this is going to be too low. This has to be way fast. Completely. Keep folding that. Look at that. Probably good. So I've pretty much got the hammock set up. I'll say it's pretty much. So this is what I've got. Sorry guys, don't bite me please. I've got this here. I just tangled it around a couple of times. Hopefully this is nice and stable. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Not the best ground clearance, but mate, I'll say it's okay. Guess what, viewers? I got this thing set up. So I'm gonna get my wideners out. This place is going to be beautiful, I know.
Oh, look at that. He just set it up by himself.
Yeah, you guys seen it all? Do it at an angle so this doesn't either just rip and go flying that way or the rope doesn't come off. And if it goes that way, it'll just slip off easily. Bam, bam. So that's why I'm doing it like this. Just keep on banging this in. So, believe me or not, I've got one in. These are to hold out the side of my hammock here to give me more room. I'll put one more in. There's always stuff getting in my boot, viewers. Look. I am going to put my tarp up. Can you film me a bit, Mum?
Yeah.
So first, oh, green ants nest. First things first, you gotta get the tarp out of the bag, because how do you think you'll put a tarp in the bag on a tree? Impossible, right? Let's get it out. It's only gonna take 2 seconds. Oh, it's already out. So it takes 2 seconds. I already know which way I'm gonna put the tarp up. Okay, it's a really big tarp. And the ground sheet and all of that good gizmos and gadgets. It's going to be a luxury camp up for me. First time I slept in the hammock the whole night. Well, I think I'm going to sleep in the whole night. I need to get a ridge line happening. So, just come over here. So, give me a comment below which ridge line colour do you want? That one? Okay.
You got your hammock round the wrong way, mate. I think your head end should be up that end.
Does it matter?
Yeah, because all the blokes will just slope them down or level your hammock up.
How?
Well, lift that end up or drop that end down.
Can you do it? Can you lift that end up?
Yeah, that's cool.
So no green ants come in. What is it, Papa?
Nothing, son. You've done a great job.
I've done my best job. I strung the sides out even.
Watch out, there's the specs here.
Oh, I need a hand. Grab the other end, the other corner end. Yep, the corner end. No, not that one. On this side, here. Yep.
Yeah.
So it's in like in a diamond shape. And we'll hook them up here, okay? No.
If you get something,
Look at this spider web. Look at this setup. Hi, Georgie.
Yeah. Perfect.
Good?
Can I have a look?
Beautiful.
Alright, you comfy?
Yeah.
Good.
Are you touching the ground with your bum?
No.
Right, this good chicken.
You know what?
Okay. Hmm.
It's beautiful.
That's good.
Can't sleep without one of these bad boys. If you're wondering why, this does not look like a pillow. Actually, hang on a sec, viewers. It's a magic trick. It's a Bushman pillow. Putting the friends in.
Yeah, can't forget friends. Oh, nice and cozy there, eh, doggies and kitties?
Ah, that hurt. And bunnies.
And bunnies.
And foxes.
If I was here, I'd just put another one like that. It's up to you.
But why?
Because the wind is going to blow it onto you on your face.
Mum, I'm gonna look through that.
That's alright.
Okay, I'm gonna go pick some rocks up. Got a little dry bag with some air in it. Got a little sitting pad under there. Got this mat. Got a ground sheet. And
Oh,
I'm
look at
gonna-
all the green ants. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, you think so? If I was here, I'd just put your foot somewhere else and maybe spray them a bit. I've got green ants everywhere in your boots.
I'm going to give you viewers a tour around this camp.
Go on, then.
Around Papa's and my camp. Gotta put my boots on. I'm turning into Bush Boy.
All camouflage, 3 layers.
I'm going to get my bow and arrow
Here's the most
and hunt some
camouflage.
paper.
Papa all sun.
Stuck in my prey.
Oh, good shot.
Time to turn into a bush. Bush time. Has to be the stockers.
Oh,
Kill
got him.
him. We have the whole zone to ourselves.
Well, guys, what just happened?
We're on
The
a charter boat.
Charter boat just came. And what they're bringing, the swags, sleeping bags, for 27 people who will come and sleep here tonight. So we've got 2 little ones who are very disappointed
Are we still going to stay here though, Pops?
Oh, I don't know.
because been waiting for it for month and month, and the camp is all set up, but that's
Why can't we just stay here, Papa?
tough luck.
Will we stay here?
Probably made a mistake.
Come on,
So,
Dad.
I'm going to get something special for this. This, you might, if you're a little grumblet, you might be wondering, what is this thing? So, this pan right here, which looks like a plate, this thing you open up and hook onto the pan, onto the plate, and
Make
it
sure you
turns
don't
into a
drop it.
pan.
We're gonna have a party.
Are you going to cook it on the fire?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, that's cooking there, dudes. All right, so try not to.
Okay.
that.
We've got here
I'm
the
gonna have
veg for the veggies.
Yeah, for the
What have you
veggies.
got here, George?
So we've got some steak sausages, we're cooking hot dogs, got some potato chips, got some, what are these things?
Peas for Mum and
Peas,
Peonies.
got some of
veggies,
this stuff,
Chopped and veggies, like a bit
we need bread. Do we have bread and ketchup?
Yeah, we got some
Yeah, we
bread
do.
here.
Ketchup?
Ketchup.
Yeah.
Ketchup, we're having hot dogs and chips and some steak. I'm going to dig into this 100%. I love it.
Well,
We're recording back again. And I'm a bit of a show off every now and then. So we get this pan right here. Oh,
Quick, pick it up while it's not too hot. Pick it up, quick. No, push a bit more. That's it.
like that.
Now on the other side, on the rock. Bit more. A bit more, so it stands like that. That's it.
okay. So if you want to grab that pan, all
I
right,
can grab it there, yeah.
grab it here. Okay, now I've got a set of gloves.
Yeah.
Right, so you don't want to, that's going to get hot. So put that in your pocket so you don't lose it.
I'll put it on the mat.
Watch out, the pot. Okay. What you got there, George?
I've got gloves for myself, but these aren't the ones. I've got other ones, but didn't bring them. But these are good enough. Bit big for me, but my other ones are a little bit too big, but this is not.
Okay. And just be careful, okay, because it's very hot in there, buddy, because it's still a bit too hot to cook food on.
Guys, I chopped a little bit of this tree off to make a marshmallow stick. This is how you should use a knife like this. Stop. Cooked.
Yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
Viewers, I can't wait to go camping tomorrow. Yesterday was tomorrow, today's tomorrow. But at least we gotta set the camp up and have some fun.
Yeah, a bit bushcraft.
Bit
That's
sad
nice. Isn't it?
No?
Yeah, it's a bit sad. At least I get hot dogs at the end of the day.
Have some veggies.
I like lighting fires, and I really like all that fun stuff. And I like camping. I like lighting fires. I like hiking. If you want to check out if this video is laying around in YouTube, you guys can, if you want to check out my channel and our family channel. Family channel is named Once Up on a Boat, and my channel is named GEOG Adventures. That's a wrap, baby. Bye.